Hey guys, so today we are here with a solution to clean our tablets and laptops and computers and mobile phone screens and monitors and televisions. Let's open it. We got it on Amazon for like 259 rupees. We get five things: a blower, a brush, a microfiber cloth, and a screen cleaner. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt on the screen and on the keyboard. So yeah, we'll start by wiping off the clean keyboard. First, spray the liquid on the keyboard. So yeah, you can see it's really nice. It's looking really beautiful as though it is new. So yeah, now we'll wipe all the liquid off